Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create visit reports in your Kelp CRM software. This can be created only in the CRM Professional version. Okay, this is not available in the CRM Mini version, so please take note of that. So here we have the business development menu tab out here. So you have an option out here like fix appointments and view those appointments in the appointment calendar. Now these two options won't be available in the CRM Mini one, so it's only available in the professional. So let's click on the fix appointments button to fix an appointment. So since I have logged in, my name already comes in here automatically. Here you can choose the customer whom you would like to meet. Like say these are all fictitious customers, so if they exist or not doesn't really matter. And if the customer doesn't exist, you can create it on the spot, okay, with his contact information, his immediate communication numbers, mails, website. All right, so here's a list of products which you'd like to discuss. Like say I want to discuss a product such as Acrovax. So in the meeting agenda it automatically places this for you, so you can still go further and type whatever you want. All right, now the steps are marked for you alphabetically. Like this is what you need to do first: the A, the B, C, D, E. Okay, so it should not be that difficult. So now we are in step B. So we've just written down that this meeting is going to be about which product. Now you need to fix a date. Let's go to C, that I need to have a meeting say on the 16th, okay, of January 2023. So I need to check any existing appointments on that date or if it's clashing with anything. So if anything is clashing, you'll get to see that in this white area. If nothing, then you can go on the right hand side and choose the time which you want for the meeting. So let's say I want a time between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. noon. So I click on fix. So that time comes here and it goes away from the right hand side, you see. So the 2 to 3 p.m. that time slot goes out from here and it comes out here. All right, so this meeting is created here, but now we need to create a minutes of meeting inquiry for the user to go and fill it up when he returns back from the meeting. Okay, so all you need to do is click this button, create an inquiry to follow up. MOM is minutes of meeting. So on clicking this button, it will tell the system will now create this inquiry connected to this meeting. So you don't have to come back and create the inquiry or something. The inquiry is already created. You just have to go and fill up what you discuss over there, what you plan to do, and what the action was taken. So in a few seconds, the inquiry is created. The appointment is planned successfully. So this is the message you'll get in a few seconds. All right. So if you want to go and see the appointment which you have fixed on the calendar, or your boss would like to see, he just needs to go to this calendar either from here. You can go from here right now because your form is open, or you can go to this appointment calendar button here. So you see on the 16th you'll see that an appointment is fixed between 2 to 3 p.m. for Manish. Okay, now if you want to see, now this calendar is secured. Okay, when I say secured means the person who logs into the system, if he's an admin, he can get to see everybody's appointments on this calendar. But if there are two appointments on a day, on a single day, and if it's a user account who's having a role of a regular user, he will be able to see only his appointments in this particular space. Okay, so for right now I've logged in and my role is as an administrator, so I'm getting to see everybody's appointment. So this space is too small, so that's the reason why we list here all the appointments for that day. So you need to click on this day to see all the appointments for that day on the right here. Okay, so if we click on this appointment, you'll see that there are further details being displayed on top here, like for whom it is, from what time, to meet which customer, what is the subject, and this is the inquiry number that was generated automatically. You don't have to be bothered about that. Okay. So now assuming that this marketing person, he goes to the customer, he meets the customer, he discusses the current product, he discusses some more products also, and he takes a requirement, he comes back to office. So when he comes back, he clicks on the appointment calendar, and he'll see that okay, this was the day he went, 16th of January. So when he clicks on that, he'll see his name here. So when he clicks on that, if he's not an admin, he will only get to see all the meetings for him on that date, not anybody else's meeting, even if it is there. So he clicks on that meeting of his and it says go to inquiry to view the minutes of meeting. So that inquiry that was created for him opens up. And this is the place where he needs to fill up the discussions he's had in that meeting. So when he went to for this meeting to discuss this product, he also discussed, like, say, benzoic acid. He discussed, let's say, acetic acid, and some more. Now, what was the discussion all about? That the customer requires this in the first quarter of every year. Okay, and requires a sample, for example. Then the plan of action. Okay, uh, team informed for sending the sample, and if there is any action taken, yeah, sample sent. So this is all what the marketing person needs to enter as the minutes of meeting. Okay, so you can save, and he can go back to the inquiry by clicking on close. But if he wants to close the entire inquiry or the minutes of meeting box, just say return to calendar and he comes back here. Okay, so that's how he fills up his visit report. Now when the boss logs in and he wants to see what's happening, so he clicks on the appointment calendar and he sees okay, on the 16th there's somebody who had a meeting, and these rest of the days there's nothing. So let's see what this person did when he went on field. He clicks here, he sees that, and then he can click on go to view the minutes of meeting, and he'll get to see all the discussions that have happened. So this is a discussion here, this is this plan of action, samples, and products, other products that were discussed. Now if the boss wants to see everybody's reports, what would he do? He would go to Explorer and click on this option, calendar appointment explorer. Yeah, he would get to see a list of all the appointments which were registered in the system. So he could click on preview follow-up report and he gets to see this follow-up report. Okay. Okay, so you see this is the place where I just recorded the minutes of meetings. Customer requires this in the first load. This can be printed, it can be sent as an email. Okay, the PDF attachment. So this becomes an email attachment and you can send it to whoever, since it's linked with Outlook. Now if they want to see it marketing person wise, like okay, I want to see only of Manish, you can do that. Preview follow up, so you see it will be all of Manish, this date, 4th of January, 16th January, what date, what time, what was the meeting all about, whom did he meet, what was the product discussed. So the entire visit report is here. You see, the full visit report can in the Excel format also be transferred to an Excel sheet. See, straight away goes into Excel. If you want to see the minutes of meeting, if you open inquiry to view minutes of meeting, you can do it from here also in details. Okay, yeah, don't ever do that. Fine. So that's the process for fixing appointments for all the visits that a marketing person performs. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can email us at info@aqantassoftware.com .net. Sorry. Thank you.